peeps rolling in. We got some Supras over here. TTRS. I like that wrap. Lime green. Should have done that in the Corvette. Stock versus modified.
No, this shit's fast as fuck.
Turbo. Alright, next spot. I expected that to be way louder. Damn. This car is one sexy beast. I like. Damn, I didn't even notice that. Oh shit. Did you hear that? That's fine. Damn. Alright, well, if you guys couldn't tell already, we're at meet spot number 2. We got more people rolling in. And we got this. Imagine one day I get hella rich and I pull up to mom's house with that.
That house would be complete.
good.
Did I knock it over?
Yeah, you knocked it over.
Nah, someone else did.
Nah, you did.
Y'all
You got
lying.
Borlas or something on the back.
Mr. Harder here.
It's the first time hearing a C8 with an exhaust. Damn, how many BMWs are there? We already got 1, 2, 3 of the new BMWs. More peeps rolling in. Got backup coming. We're getting a light show.
What time did I call you? It was not 7, bro. Oh, when you called me, bro, that was like the last call. The race is not the issue. That's what I'm trying to tell you, bro. There's a million people talking right now. There's nothing.
Bro, I'm telling you, just take them out. Give them the count and give it to somebody else.
Yeah. 3, 4, 5. I was shit. 1, 2, 3!